let me go to. Now the good to what's wrong? Now the good to. Oh, I'm the charger. But you're like that. Mama needs it. Okay. Thanks. Thanks. What is it? Oh, what are you? Oh, Duchess in the trucks. One day, Duchess had to kill some frogs, but she did not like it. She hated. She. It was the trucks. She hated the trucks. You can just charge it over there by the couches. It's only a box. I can't make this video. Oh wait, here's the box. Hey, it was on the table. It was on the table. And you see it, and I did it again. Swipe on me. Swipe. Never mind. You can call me a name. Hiya, what's up? You suck. Chucks, good lord. Oh yeah, I can see my skateboard, but iPad, so ow. But I guess I have to hold it. It's just Chuck's good lord. It's just It's up to it. On. Good boy, go fast. No, Duchess is not. It's how Duchess almost died on another railway. Duchess was pulling 10 whole trucks on another railway. Because she couldn't control that first. And she was alone. How the trucks keep pushing her. I had to go random speeds. Dang it! This is a call for tuning all over again. Oh, play my game at or skateboard y'all. Never mind. That just was a runaway. But now she couldn't stop. She was having a it was impossible for her to stop. Dang it, some trucks are there. Duchess didn't die, but she did crash. No, she didn't. Who turned it to me? Her turned to derail. Duchess's turned to derail, but she didn't. 7 trucks are derailed, 3 hands, and neither her toes. She kept going. What you did? Hey, is there anything you would like to say, Duchess? Is there anything you would like to say, Duchess? I'll say something before we go. Stupid. I'm stupid. You're not stupid, Duchess. You just haven't followed with the trucks. You trucks almost got us killed.
No, you might get my Sharpie pen.
This is good. Yes, No, got us killed. So is there anything you want to say?
I'm going to show you.
Thank you. What?
Yeah.
Am
I getting my Sharpie pen?
That's just the weakest.
So we have green.
That's just the weak. Because like you go
Red, yellow, green, blue. Now I can tell y'all fortune. What'd you do with my stuff? I told you to pick. See, my mama cut it because I go ahead and look up one. See? Go ahead and look up one. Oh my god. So I can put it like this, and this is the one I made. Like this. On my notebook. You made that? Alright, just give me my pencil back. Give me my pencil back. You didn't say daddy.
Oh, never mind. This is the end.